In this quick video, you will learn how to replace the battery in your Nissan Cube key fob. You can do this whole process at home. It is very easy and it'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. All you'll need is a regular flathead screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and one CR1620 battery. Now you can get these batteries online for just a couple bucks. If you're interested, go check out that first link in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these particular batteries that you need for this particular device. Now just the first step here is going to be removing this screw. I have this small Phillips head screwdriver. If you don't have something small enough to remove this, I will just recommend this set of precision screwdrivers that I've been using for years. They're really great. And I think they're just like $5 on Amazon. They're just a few bucks. So I will also leave that in the description if you need to pick something like this up. So go ahead and start by removing that small screw on the back. Set it to the side. Now switch over to your flathead and come to this slot on the top right of the device, and you'll just insert your flathead in and twist, and this thing will open up and you will have access to the battery. Now you can actually just jump back to your small Phillips head, or you're just going to be using whatever kind of thin instrument you have around. You can probably use a pen or pencil, a toothpick, needle, anything like that. All we're doing is coming in this opening, and you can see around here there's a plastic holding it in place. Right here we can just get on the side of the battery and just gently lift it up. There we go. Pry it up, pop right out. You can go ahead and dispose of your old battery, grab your new one, and once again this is a 1620, and there will be a link in the description if you don't know where to get these. When you're putting your new battery in, you want this positive side that has the plus and the text on it to be facing down. So you'll put it face down and just simply push it into place and it will sit in there securely. And from here, we can just put it all back together. So go ahead and line up the two halves of the device, snap it back together, and we can just now put the screw back in there. Last step. Just twist that in, and as you can see, this is super easy to do. You don't need to bring your key fob to the dealership when it dies on you. If you had it for a few years, it stops working. It's probably okay. It just needs a new battery, and you can do the whole process for just the price of one of these batteries, which is pretty crazy because of how much they will charge you at the dealership. So keep that in mind, and also remember that if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials like this one for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And remember, if you liked this video, feel free to let me know down in the comments. I'd love to see your feedback. You can also let me know just by giving this video a like. So thank you guys so much. And if you want any more information on how to change your key fob batteries, you can go check us out on our website, which is FobBattery.com.